National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County, Central Ripley County, Dearborn County, Northwestern Switzerland County, Northern Boone County, Northwestern Hamilton County, until 9 p.m. At 8:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located from 6 miles north of Mooresville to near Milan to 11 miles southwest of Versailles, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Harrison, Lawrenceburg, Greendale, Aurora, Rising Sun, Bright, Hidden Valley, Burlington, Cleves, Versailles, Milan, Dillsboro, Shawnee, Moores Hill, Taylor Creek, Miami Heights, Dry Ridge, Blue Jay, and Dunlap. This includes the following interstates: I-74 in Indiana between mile markers 164 and 171. I-74 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 13.
The following interstates: I-74 mile markers 164 and 171. I-74 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 13.